what? They're blue.
These are actually Cusco control arms. They're upper control arms. Shout out to Cusco with these beautiful arms. They're actually on back order for a while. It's about time we go ahead and install these bad boys.
Woo.
But first, lunch. Now we're back from lunch. Now it's time to get the control arms. Now we can get the car on the floor after giving it a crazy amount of camber because we're static boys. Holy crap, dude. How much positive camber you need? This is actually gonna be pretty simple. It's just gonna be the top bolt on the top, the knuckle, and there's 2 bolts that fly back into the back. It's all just 17s. Pretty much it. Let's go and get to that real quick. There. It's holding everything up. The other back bolt, so I can't slide it out. So we loosen this up. I'm not gonna hit the boot so we don't destroy the boot on it. Hit the very edge of it, just give it some love taps. Now, we just gotta take the 2 10 mils off for this bracket holding the like ABS line on, and then it comes out. Super quick. Now, the new control arms don't come with a spot to screw in this bracket, so remove the line from the bracket. Let's get this one last one off. If I can get the gun on there. Now it's out, and
now you gotta do the other one.
Yep. Spot is a little weird for the back one. So you take your 17, you get it back in there. You get it on there. It's like, it's a weird little spot. And you get your little extra handle. Get it on there, loosen it. Now, you have like no room to start loosening it. It's gonna be a lot of on and off. Like that. But I believe in you guys.
So if you can find yourself in this position, you can do it. Because Chris said so.
Exactly. Bar. Dude, he's so smart. The bolt itself rather than the nut. The wire out.
That's crazy, dude. He's still working on it.
No, I'm not. Look, it's out. Now we'll reverse the whole process and then put it back in. Putting it back in should be as hard. It's really just adjusting it. You slide it in there and then you just line up the holes in the back. Don't tighten the bolts down until you have everything in, then tighten the bolts down. Or else you're not gonna be able to move it to fit it in there.
Cool.
Oh! Ow. Once you get the joint slightly in there, it's not gonna want to slide all the way down, so you just give her some taps. Once it's seated in there, put the bolt through, and move on to the next.
Big bet, dude.
Yes, sir. You want to take an adjustable, or I think it's a 27. And you want to take the middle nut that's in here between the three. The middle one will spin out and in the two joints. Adjust it so to spin it out or back in, which they come fully maxed in. And then this back locking nut will actually be pressed against the control arm itself. That's how you lock the back nut. And this front one goes against the adjustment lock nut. It's super simple. It is a little time consuming when it comes to adjusting it because you have to take the wheel on, put the wheel off, because they've been the upper control arm. But in my opinion, I like upper control arms that are adjustable rather than lowers. You get way more adjustment out of them. Dial in the fitment a little bit, get the car on the ground, we'll show you guys what it looks like. I left it looking sort of positive, so when we put it down, it might be more equal rather than negative.
Drop it low. Roll it off the block, bro?
Yeah, what the heck? Why not? No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna jack up one side, take one of the blocks out, put it back down onto the one block, and then roll it off the one block. What's up, brother? Special teams, special players, special plays.
Yeah, apparently this is a special play right here.
Wash my hands. Headphone users beware.
You did it! You passed the mission. Hard work, hard play. Time to go what? Do a donut today. She needs to go to paint.
Yeah.
He did it.
Yeah.
It's time for her to go off the paint.
Yeah.
Zach just finished up. I think Chris came back with something. Yo, boy.
That looks so
Look
good.
at that.
That came out phenomenal.
Why'd you trick me, bro?
I had to surprise you.
You said you were going to the gas station. You and Dave were up to this, weren't you?
I mean, I went to the gas station. I had to get gas for it.
Bro, what do you think about this? Last time Zach was here, this thing was going off the paint. Dude, it's a setup.
Someone's here.
Yo!
What's going on? How are you?
We're about to send it off to paint soon.
Oh, the BRZ?
It's for you to find out.
I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but you can see the little like sparkle in the white that came out awesome with the white on black with the carbon came out great. In the sunlight, it just glistens. I love it. This car is still one of the loudest things on the planet. It is like, it's obnoxious, but it's cool.
Here's what was your reaction when you first picked it up?
Honestly, they did a whole kind of scenery for us. Showed up, it wasn't outside. And then we walked in and they're like, oh, it's outside, it's outside. And they opened the garage for us. They had the lights off and everything. Dude, it blew me and David away, bro. It was ridiculous. This thing looks sick. Definitely one of my favorite shop cars now, for sure.
Sheesh, I'm not gonna lie, this, out of the two, I wasn't sure which one's gonna look better. But this, right on point. I'm curious to get Breezy's reaction.
Oh my.
You guys see the truck is missing because Breezy's out on business getting something done. Something with the wheels for the other 8.6, and we got a show coming up. I think this one's gonna take the cake compared to the blue 8.6.
I don't know, man.
That's a tough comparison.
I think don't know, man.
I'm curious to see how the blue comes out.
This one's manual.
This one wins.
yeah.
Looking good.
Tell us your vision.
It's a Liberty Walk kit, so I love everything wide-bodied. Stretched, wide-bodied, you name it. It looks better wide and lowered. The idea was to start producing some products, and in this case, a BRZ is a great entry-level sport coupe. It's a great car by itself, but it's not Liberty Walks. The whole goal was to do something that was a little bit different. I want to do some color matching, brought in the black trim on it with the carbon fiber. It's a perfect color for it, the perfect color combination. We've got the LB wheels. Everything about it is perfect. We went ahead and did the full fender replacements on this one. I really liked the Liberty Walk fender over the stock fender. The fit and finish is definitely better. Love the front canards. We went ahead and did more of a deeper satin black paint job. We just did the accent on the hood and on the wing in carbon fiber. Everything else has been color matched body style. We didn't wrap anything, we do it right. The car came out perfect. Body lines, everything from reveals, everything is done great. So real happy with the project. Got a couple more tweaks to do to the car before we reveal it, and then it'll be done. And then we'll put it up for sale and you can own this car.
The crazy part is Breezy hasn't seen this yet.
Oh, he hasn't? Oh, he's gonna love it.
Whoa! Oh my gosh! Ooh wee! Wow.
Hey, what are your thoughts, Breezy?
You know, man, for once, I'm kind of speechless, but if I could put some words together, I would say she's perfect. I mean, the white on the black, the carbon, it's mesmerizing. It's like I can stare into a sea of carbon forever. She's street. She's so street, so mean. Man, I'm so glad we went with the black. I know there was some talk about maybe going bronze, but this is the look. This right here is it. Yeah, this is the one. Coordinated with Fred at CPS. We talked quite a bit about the whole process. It came out even better than anticipated. Usually with fiberglass transitioning to paint, you see some variation and it's noticeable. But on this, I mean, the variation is, you really can't tell, man. The sheen from one part to the next, it really flows extremely well. The pearlescent finish, it all flows perfectly. Yeah, this is gonna be the one to watch at the shows, definitely. Wow, 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 wow. Paint-wise, the finish, perfection. Well, man, she's beautiful. Now that she's back from paint, next thing is get it breathing better, get that air intake in there, and we'll see you at the next show.